Now finally we'll learn the associative property for rational number. So we'll begin with addition. Now what are the numbers I've kept for a, b and c? A is equals to minus 2 by 3, b equals to 3 by 5 and c equals to minus 5 by 6. Again I will keep all these values same for all the other operations also. Let's begin. A plus b inside the bracket plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. So first begin with the LHS part. So a in place of a I've written minus 2 by 3 plus in place of b I've written 3 by 5 plus what is the value of c? Minus 5 by 6. Let's solve the bracket. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, so if we divide 15 with 3, answer is 5. So 5 into 2 is minus 10. Plus if we divide 15 by 5, what is the answer? 3. So 3 3s are 9. Then outside the bracket what I have written? Minus 5 by 6. If you solve this, minus 10 plus 9 is what? Minus 1 by 15 minus 5 by 6. Again you have to find the LCM of 15 and 6. That would be 30. Now when 30 is divided by 15, answer is 2. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then again I have given minus sign. Divide this 30 with 6, you will get the answer as 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Now let's solve this. Minus 2 minus 25 is what? Minus 27 by 30. So LHS answer is minus 27 by 30. Let's solve RHS. RHS is what? A plus inside the bracket b plus c. Then we'll just put the values in place of the letters. So A is minus 2 by 3 plus b is 3 by 5 plus c is inside the bracket minus 5 by 6. First we have to open this bracket. Plus minus is minus. Then we have to solve this bracket. We'll keep this as intact. Now the LCM of 5 and 6 is what? 30. Now when we divide this 30 with 5, what is the answer? 6. So 6 3s are 18 minus, and we divide 30 with 6, what is the answer? 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Let's solve this. 18 minus 25 is what? Minus 7. Now let's open this bracket. Plus minus is minus. So what I've written? Minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 30. Now we have to again get the value, the LCM of 3 and 30. That would be 30 itself. Now when we divide this 30 with 3, what is the answer? 10. So 10 into 2 is minus 20. That is 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. Minus, when we divide 30 with 30, what is the answer? 1. So 1 into 7 is 7. Let's solve this. Minus minus is plus. So 20 plus 7 is minus 27 by 30. So you see the answer of the LHS and RHS answer is quite similar. So we'll write LHS is equals to RHS. So addition is associative for rational number. Now let's see subtraction. I've kept the values very similar. Now what we have to prove? A minus b inside the bracket minus c is not equals to a minus inside the bracket b minus c. So we'll first solve the left hand side first. So now what is there in the left hand side? A minus b inside the bracket minus c. Just put the values in place of the letters. Now the first thing that we'll do is to solve this bracket. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. Divide 15 by 3. What is the answer? 5. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Again when you divide 15 by 5, what is the answer? 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Now solve this. Minus 10 into minus 10 minus 9 is what? Minus 19 plus 6. Again we have to get the LCM. As you know, 15, the LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. Now when you divide 30 with 15, you get answer as 2. So 2 into minus 19 is what? Minus 38. And when you divide 30 with 6, what is the answer? 5. And 5 into 5 is what? 25. After solving this, what is the answer we are getting? Minus 13 by 30. Now let's do RHS. So A minus inside the bracket B minus C. Just put the values in place of all the letters, students. Now just after solving, we have to open this bracket. That is minus minus is what? Plus. Very good. Now we have to solve this bracket. For that we have to first get the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 6 is what? 30. Right? When you divide 30 by 5, what is the answer? 6. So 6 3s are 18. Again when you divide 30 with 6, what is the answer? 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So what is the sum of these two numbers? 43. Now finally we'll do minus 2 by 3 minus 43 by 30. So what is the LCM of 3 and 30? 30. Now when we divide 30 with 3, what is the answer? 10. So 10 into minus 2 is what? Minus 20. When we divide 30 by 30, what is the answer? 1. So 1 into 43 is 43. Now minus into minus plus. So 20 plus 43 is what? 63. Then what is the final answer? Minus 63 by 30. Is the answers are matching, students? No. So we'll write LHS is not equals to RHS. So subtraction is not associative for rational number. Let's move on to the other applications, that is multiplication. So I've kept the values very same. Now what we have to prove? A into B inside the bracket into C is equals to A into B into C, isn't it? Let's prove the LHS part. So we'll replace the values, not replace the value, we'll put the values in place of letters. Now after doing it, what is inside the bracket, we'll solve it. So minus 2 into 3 is what? Minus 6. 3 into 5 is what? 15 into minus 5 by 6. Again we'll multiply, student. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So 6 into 5, 30. 15 6 are 90. So the LHS answer is plus 30 by 90. Now we'll see what is the answer of RHS. So what is there in the RHS? A into B into C. I've just put the values in the place of the letters. So in place of A, I've written 2 by 3 into, inside the bracket, in place of B, I've written 3 by 5 into, in place of C, I've written minus 5 by 6. Let's solve this bracket first. So 3 into minus 5 is what? Minus 15, and minus 5 into 6 is what? 30. Now I will multiply this fraction with this one. So minus minus is what? Plus. 2 into 15 is what? 30. 3 into 30 is what? 90. So can we see the answers are matching? Obviously yes. So we'll write LHS is equals to RHS. So multiplication is associative for rational number. Now let's see the final operation. Now that is division. So division is what we have to prove, students. A divided by B inside the bracket divided by C is not equals to A divided by, inside the bracket, B divided by C. Now let's prove left hand side. So in place of A, I've written minus 2 by 3, divide sign. In place of B, I've written 3 by 5, divide sign. In place of C, I've written minus 5 by 6. Let's solve this. Now when we replace this division sign with multiplication sign, what will happen? Yes, right choice. So this particular fraction will be reciprocal. Now once we have done with this, we'll multiply it. So minus 2 into 5 is what? Minus 10. 3 into 3 is what? 9. Divided by 5 by 6. Finally, again we'll replace this division sign with into sign. So what will happen? This particular fraction will be again reciprocal. So after doing it, we have to multiply it. Minus 10 into 6 is what? Minus 60, and 9 5s are 45. So LHS answer is minus 60 upon 45. RHS. So RHS is what? A divided by B minus C. So in place of A, I've written minus 2 by 3, divide sign. In place of B, I've written minus 3 by 5, divide sign. Then C is minus 5 by 6. So we know that we have to first solve the bracket. So minus 2 by 3 divide. We have replaced this division sign with multiplication sign. So what will happen? 6 will go up and minus 5 will come down. So we have to multiply it. So 3 into 6 is what? 18. 5 into minus 5 is what? Minus 25. So again, minus 2 by 3 divided by 18 by minus 25. Again, we have replaced this division sign with this multiplication sign. So this will be again reciprocal. So minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 18. Okay, then multiply it. Minus 2 into minus 5 is what? Plus 10. 3 into 18 is what? 54. So what is the answer of RHS? 10 upon 54. The answers are matching, students? Huh? No, it's not matching. So we'll say LHS is not equals to RHS. So division is not associative for rational number. So from my next video, I will straight away go with the exercise sums. Okay, thank you.